Yes, welcome to this session. Now, in the previous class we have discussed some problems up to 7. 4 and 5 I solved. 6 and 7 I gave homework. Okay. So now 8th question, very important question. Water in canal 6 meters wide, 1.5 meters deep is flowing with a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. Okay. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 80 meters standing water is needed? So here one pipe is there. Compulsory pipe is in the shape of cylinder. In the shape of cylinder, like this one pipe is there. Okay, here this pipe is in circular, in a rectangle form. This wide is given. Wide means from here to here. This is the wide. It is 6 meters. And 1.5 meters deep means length. Length is 1.5 meters. 1.5 meters is there. From this pipe, not pipe, it is a canal. Okay, it is rectangle shape. Like this canal is there. From this canal, of wide 6 meters and length is 1.5 meters. Some water is flowing, okay, with the speed of 10 kilometers per hour, and it will irrigate some area of the field. Some area of the field which is in the shape of area of the shape means this is let it be field. So from here water will flows like this. Water will flows like this. It will come to in this field. But this water, how much stand we need it to stand means up to 8 meters. Up to 8 meters need to stand. Up to 8 meter need to stand the water. So we have to see like this. From this water is coming and this water is from this canal water is flowing in the field. In that field it's needed to water is needed to stand at the height of 8 meters. Okay, so we have to find how much area it will irrigate in 30 minutes. So like this it will flows in 30 minutes. How much area it will be irrigate, that we have to find. See that here it is given that width of canal is equal to width means it is breadth also 6 meters, and length of canal is equal to L is equal to 1.5 meters. Okay, and see here the speed also given. Speed of water is equal to 10 kilometers per hour. So but here these two are in meters, so that you can change this one also into meters. So this is 10 into, for 1 kilometer how many meters? 1000 meters. Okay, by this is in hour. If you change this kilometer in meters means hours, automatically you can change into minutes. So for 1 hour 60. Now it is meter per minute. So now this is 0 cancel. 0 cancel. This is 10,000. This is 1000 by 6 meter per minute. Meter per minute. Okay. See now. Now see that volume. We have to find the volume of water in canal. How much water it is there in canal means, then it is in 1 minute means, then it will be easy to find in 30 minutes. So volume of water, how much water flowing in 1 minute, that is called volume of water flows in 1 minute is equal to how much water it will flows means. So here this is the length. Length means 1.5. Breadth is 6. And the speed of the water becomes the height. Okay, it will indicate the height. So that it is 1000 by 6. So it will be 6 cancel. This is 15 by 10 into 1000 by 1000 only. 0 cancel. It will be 1500 meter cubes. This is the volume of water in the canal. Okay. Now see that in 1 minute it is. Now volume of water flows in 30 minutes. So this is 30 into 1500. That is 15 3 is 45,000. 45,000 meter cubes. So how much in 30 minutes in canal, how much water is coming means 45,000 meter cube water is coming. So this water will irrigate this field up to 8 meters, so that volume of water from this canal in 30 minutes is equal to the volume of this land, this field, no? Okay, so we don't know here, we don't know the area of the, area, so we have to find how much area. Here we don't know the area of this one, area of this field. So let it be A. Let the area be irrigated is equal to A meter cubes. So now the volume of water flows in how many minutes it will fill? We want to fill in 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes how much water is coming? 45,000 meter cubes coming. So the volume of water flows in 30 minutes is equal to volume of water in the field. So that this is 45,000. What is the volume? What is the area of this field means? Area of this field into height. Area of this field means it will be A into, this is 8 centimeters it is given, 8 centimeters. So 45,000 is equal to A into, it will be 8 by 100 meters. Okay, after making this 8 meters. Otherwise you can write here the height of water in field. The height of the water in field needed is equal to 8 centimeters, that is 8 by 100 meters. For 1 centimeters it is 8 meters that way. Okay, then 45,000 into, it will be 100 by 8, that is equal to A. So 4 2s are 5, 4 5s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 5s are 00. So area A is equal to, area, what is this area? This is the area to be irrigated. So area is equal to 0 0, 25 5s are 125, 25 2s are 50. This is 50 plus 12, 62. 25 2s are 50 plus 56 meter cubes. So that from this canal, if water is flowing with the speed of 10 kilometers per hour, in 30 minutes it will irrigate how much area means 562500 meter cubes area it will irrigate. Okay, I hope that you understand properly. Okay, then it will be easy. Okay, next we will see the 8th question. Yes, okay students, now 9th question. This is also a very very important question. A farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter, this is very very important, internal diameter 20 centimeters from a canal into a cylindrical tank in her field, which is 10 meter diameter and 2 meter deep. If water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 kilometers per hour, in how much time tank will be filled? Okay, so one farmer in her field, he arranged one pipe to fill the cylindrical tank. So for example, this is a pipe, this is a pipe. Okay, so it has to be filled, it has to be filled a cylindrical tank, a cylindrical tank like this. It has to be filled. Okay, so here it is given that the internal diameter means it is a hollow cylinder. It is a hollow cylinder. Okay, so it will be filled this, and the diameter of cylindrical tank is 10 meters, means radius is 5 meters, and it is 2 meters height, 2 meters. Okay, so it is given, and speed of the water in pipe also given. How much speed is 3 kilometers per hour. The water is flowing and it is filled it will be filled the cylindrical tank. Okay, and how much time it will be take. So in how much time this pipe will fill the tank. Okay, so for this I am taking, see what is given, the internal diameter of pipe. The internal diameter of pipe D is equal to 20 centimeters. See, observe here meters are there, so that centimeters also you can change into meters. 20 by 1 centimeter is 100. 0 cancel. 2 by 10, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, that is 1 by 5. Okay, so then radius, let it be R1. Here one more is there, R2. So R1 is equal to D by 2, that is 1 by 5 by 2, that is 1 by 5 to the 10. 1 by 5 to the 10. Now we have to find the area of cross section. Okay, and area of cross section means here, see that one more is there. Okay, so water is coming from this small hole only. Okay, that area we need. This area becomes this area from big area minus small area. Okay, so let it be, that is R only. Okay, so here it is. See that area of cross section of pipe. Area of cross section of pipe is equal to, what is this is pi r square, that is pi r1 square, that is pi means it is pi into what is the r1, 1 by 10 square. This is 1 by pi 1 ja pi by 100. It is pi by 100. So speed of the water. Now what is the speed? Speed of water is equal to 3 kilometers. This is meter kids. Okay, this is meters. Kilometer per hour. You have to change this. 3 into 1000 meters by hour means 60 meter per hour. 0 0 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. This is 50, not hour, it is minute. So 50 minutes, 50 meters per minute is the speed. 50 meter per hour is the meter. So now we have to find the volume of this water in 1 minute. Okay? Volume of water flows in 1 minute is equal to, how much it is, actually how much area, this area is already we have found 50. Okay, this will be the the height, and area is pi r1 square, that is pi by 100. 0, 0, 5 1 ja 5 2, so that is pi by 2 centimeter cube. So we have to find the time taken to fill the let the time taken to fill the tank is equal to, let it be t. Okay, now see that here, okay, in t time this pipe will fill this tank, means that is the volume of the cylinder. So that we need to find the volume of the cylinder also, and radius of diameter given, diameter of cylinder is equal to 10 meters, then R2 that is equal to d by 2, 10 by 2, that is equal to 5 meters, and height of cylinder is equal to, cylindrical tank is equal to, it is given 2 meters. Now see that here volume of water flows in t minutes. Time is there here, time t minutes, no? T minutes, in t minutes is equal to, t minutes means t into, in 1 minute it is pi by 2. Okay, now the volume of water flows in t minutes. In t minutes it will fill the tank, means that is the volume of tank. So volume of tank, observe carefully. So in t minutes the volume of the water in t minutes it will flows. How much it will fill? It will fill the tank, means that is the volume of the cylinder. In t minutes it is t into pi by 2 is equal to, volume of the tank is pi r2 square h. So t into pi by 2 into, so here pi cancel, it will be 1 by 2. What is the R2? 5 into 5, h is 2. So t is equal to 5 into 5 into 2 into 2. So t is equal to 5 5 is 25, 25 4 is 100 minutes. So this pipe will fill the tank in how many minutes? 100 minutes, or 1 hour, or 1 hour 40 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes. Okay, I hope that you understand. So nothing is there. First you have to find the cross section of pipe, the volume of this pipe. Then it will be easy. Volume means here internal diameter is given. That's why I am taking the area of this one, and I am multiplying with the speed of the water. After multiplying this, time we need to find. So that I am taking time is t minutes. In t minutes it will, the volume of the water is I am finding here. Okay, then the water flows, the volume of the water flows from the pipe is equal to the volume of the cylinder. Why? All this water will fill this tank. Okay, in t minutes. So that t into this one, like that we will get the time taken to be filled the tank with that pipe. Okay, I hope that you understand. So with this problem we have finished this chapter. Total syllabus, class 10 syllabus you have finished till now. Okay, now construction is there. It will be, we will discuss in the physically in our class. After you are coming to school, we will finish that chapter. That is no need to worry. So this chapter is closed. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.